Hello friends, welcome to another video of Chartmojo. And in today's session, we can see Nifty took resistance. Okay, the resistance level was the channel. Okay, channel resistance. You can see again higher low formation. Yesterday we were talking about 18900 as a critical level above which we can play for 50 and 100 points. That's it. If you see Nifty average movement is quite low. Okay, it is near about 150 points. Okay, that's why we want to play for smaller points if we see critical breakout. Here there was a resistance at channel area. Now one can think of Nifty will try to touch this lower support. Okay, here we have seen Nifty have touched. Here we have seen Nifty have touched the support line. Okay, rising support line of the channel. So important level for the next trading session is 18680. Okay, now this is the gap area as well this support area. Let me show you on a smaller time frame. Let us go and see 5-minute time frame. Here it is clear that this is an unfilled gap. Okay, near at 18680 level. Okay, I mean 90 level, and here 18680, sorry, here 18680. Okay, in this region somewhere, if the gap is filled, we might assume that Nifty can take a support at lower rising trend line. So below this level I will think of any shorting. Okay, fresh shorting. So for the next trading session, uh if someone wants to create short position on Nifty, one can wait for this gap to be filled, because this gap is very near. It is only 50 point. Okay, and if Nifty opens sideways or little bit gap down, so it is very very near. This level can get filled very quickly. So we will wait for 18675 in the next trading session. If 18675 level is taken out, then we can think to play for 18620, which is this gap yet to be filled. Again, both are common gap, and 18550. Okay, I would like to play for these two level if Nifty breaches 18675 in intraday session. Now on the higher side, basically Nifty is following Dow, and if Dow gives us good rally in intraday session, then I would also expect that Nifty might go at least sideways. It might avoid falling down. Now on the higher side, it is better to wait for 18900 level. Okay, and then play till 19000. Otherwise, if you are trying to play in between, you can take help of 5-minute pattern. In today's session, there were two flag pattern. Okay, one was this, and another one there was a pennant pattern. Okay, which did give a false upside breakout. So if you're trading for smaller time frame, one can look to play on this price action pattern. Otherwise, if someone want to play by looking at daily charts, then the level which we have said is quite crucial. Looking at Bank Nifty, I was hoping that Bank Nifty would have done well, but again, Bank Nifty is going sideways. Okay, let me reset my chart, and here we can see there is a confusion, and I can see one candle red, one green, one red. Now if Dow gives us some upside rally, again a green candle might emerge here. If Dow gives further fall, then definitely there will be a fall here, which we are seeing high correlated movement with the foreign markets. As of now, I will like to play on Nifty. Yesterday I was thinking that Bank Nifty can be good candidate for upside movement. Okay, because there is quite space left. If 44100 was taken out, 44500 was the level it could reach. On the Nifty side, Nifty have already touched its all-time high level. That's why I was thinking that Nifty Bank would have been a good play. Right now, as we are looking at this rising channel target, because of which I would like to now avoid this, because any fresh short would trigger at this low of 43 400 level, and you might get to play till 43,100 level. Okay. So if someone is aggressive, then they can look to play in that particular area. Otherwise, upside view 43,100 44,100. If Bank Nifty clears, then 44,500 is the level I would like to. Here is the Dow chart, and we were watching this chart in our Sunday video. Okay, it is similar because today's trading session, it will quite decisive whether there will be further throwback, okay, from the higher level, whether it will further go down or it might, again try to go up. So instead of preempting, what we have done, we have discussed our level. If it falls, then what we have discussed a little bit on downside bias, okay, then it might go through that level and one can play accordingly. If there is an upside move, then wait for the high, okay. In Bank Nifty, wait for the major high, okay, which was at 44,100, and in Nifty 18,900. Moving towards Brent chart, it is again sideways, no specific signal it is giving to us. Moving toward FNO counters, yesterday we were discussing about HDFC Life, and it did reach 630 level. Okay, it is following the continuation move of the bigger candle, and I think on the daily chart as well, there is a good breakout on the charts. So for intraday play, 630, 640, we were assuming it did reach 630. From there, one can also think for positional. Next counter which we discussed yesterday was Wipro, and it did give a little bit gap up opening, but again whole day there was weakness. At the end of the session there was a pullback. Okay, till it ended in negative. So instead of going long in those counter, definitely the counter ended in negative but didn't reach our expected level. So for next trading session, we can see this particular chart, which is Indian Hotel. If you see the chart, there was a breakout at near 400 level, which is also good psychological level, and it did fail. There was no follow-up movement. Here I can see there is a bearish close Marubozu candle, and we can clearly see that it is also acting as a dark cloud cover candle. Now why I'm taking candlestick name, because it is useful to take trade for reversal. Okay, instead of going for breakout trade, we use candlestick for reversal trades. Now the key important level is 393 level. Okay, now 393 is this breakout candle low. Okay, as well as today candle, it went near that, it didn't breach. So if this counter goes below 393, I would expect 385 and 380 in the intraday session, at least to reach here and till here this low support area. So ideally, if there is a breakout failure, positional stop loss might get hit, and we can see intraday it reaching 385 and 380 level. Looking at next counter, which is IGL. Let us go here. Okay, and you can see IGL have given a breakout. Okay, in April. Here there was a sideways pattern, or you can say a horizontal breakout here. Right now it might retest this level. Okay, and it might fall just below that. I will watch this particular low here. Okay, it is coming near at 457. If we breach 457, there is a play till 450. That's it. Then we can see there is lots of, this is basically the support, this is basically resistance zone for the previous breakout. Now will definitely act as support. That's why if someone wants to play this breakdown, okay, one can play till 450 level. Also, if you see this, if we connect lower lows here, you will get a level of somewhere 450 here as well. So one can think of playing till 450 if the counter went below 457. So guys, this is it for the video. I hope you are liking our content. If you're liking, please hit the like button. If you're new to our channel, please do subscribe. Till then, take care. I will meet you in our next video.